Hey there! Today I want to talk about a common problem that many people encounter when dealing with file date stamps. Picture this. You have a directory with two files, one from 1970 and the other from 2022. When you copy the 2022 file to a USB flash drive, the date stamp is preserved. But when you copy the 1970 file to the same drive, the date stamp gets updated to the current date. Why does this happen? Let's dive into the details of this problem. So, what's the solution to this date stamp dilemma? Well, it all comes down to the type of file system you're working with. In this case, you're copying files to a FAT32 file system, which has limitations when it comes to timestamp resolution. FAT stores each datetime field separately and allocates only 7 bits for the year, with 0 representing the year 1980 and 127 representing the year 2107. Since the year 1970 is outside of this range, the date stamp gets updated to the current date when you copy the file to the USB drive. Mystery solved. In summary, when dealing with file date stamps, be mindful of the file system you're working with. In this case, FAT32 has limitations that result in the update of date stamps outside its designated range. Remember to pay attention to these details to avoid surprises when copying files between drives. And with that, I hope you found this information helpful. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy file managing!